From your friends at Superior Transmission Parts Inc., 1 click, 1 minute on why you need to use our part in your next transmission rebuild. Our STL010 SureCool system allows you to put in an active bypass, replacing the thermostatic pellet. Some people are blocking the inside of this block and thus removing the bypass feature from the block. When the cooler is restricted or plugged, our bypass kicks in dynamically, not thermostatically, so it always remains open and working. It also works great in a cold climate, so if you're up in Canada, you never want to plug the bypass. If you kink a cooler line with our product, the STL010, or any of our cooler flow valves for that fact, once you kink that valve, the bypass would kick in on ours. If you plug the bypass, ain't nothing gonna kick in except an expensive repair bill. For shop owners and technicians, it's important to understand that the STL010 saves you time, which saves you money, which equals value for your shop. It's a no-brainer to put on for insurance. That's a simple solution from your friends at Superior Transmission Parts.